outfit check. I have a brand collab with BDO today and then may event ako later. So, I'm wearing blue. First time ko to sinuot. It's from Love Bonito. Sobrang comfy naman niya. So, I'll try to do YouTube today. This TikToker will try to do YouTube today.
Oh, who do that? Huh? I no. Be careful.
Phoenix, say hi!
Be careful. Oh.
You say, Dear God, thank you for my mama and
Papa,
how about your dogs? Thank you for Tob and
Daddy,
Choo Choo. Say Choo Choo. There's amen, no? You get amen.
Mama,
This is not amen. This is knock knock. Say knock knock.
yes,
Who's there? It's Grover.
Evan,
Oh, are you okay? Say, of course. Piggy, smile. Piggy, smile.
Picture.
Kiss mama. Wow, that's so sweet.
Second, guys.
No. No. Sit down. There. Can you see? Ping. Knock, knock. It's...
Daddy,
What?
Daddy,
It's Daddy.
yeah,
Knock, knock. It's... Who's that? It's Bird taking Babat. Who's taking a Babat?
Peeping,
Ping Ping is taking a Babat or Bird?
peeping,
Knock, knock. Say, who's there?
peeping. Mama,
No
peeping,
more Ping Ping. Okay, here.
peeping. Chicken.
Oh, ikaw! Ano ba yan?
Yeah.
Baby, you're so gulo.
Saan yung tinidor? Walang tinidor. There's no tinidor.
Avocado toast. Gusto mo namin.
No, I'm good. Bili yung susi, wala.
Wala susi. I have a client, yung business niya is food meals for kids. Super galing. So, pag medyo mas malaki na si Phoenix, nga ito na yung gagawin ko sa kanya. Para sa mga parents na walang time magluto or mag-isip ng meals, this is perfect. So, shoot ko lang siya today and wala, sama ko lang kayo. So, there's chow mein noodles for lunch, and then for breakfast, pancakes, and for dinner, roast beef and mashed potato. Yun lang. Lately, ang dami nagtatanong kung ano yung updated kong skincare routine because my skin is giving. Thank you! I didn't buy this because I'm really hesitant to invest in quality skincare because, you know, with skincare, it's really about hiyangan. So, nakakatakot mag-invest sa mahal, lalo na if hindi mo siya hiyang. But, thankfully, Kiehl's gifted me with products that really worked well for my skin. So far, I've been using yung Calendula toner nila. It's so good for the skin. I feel so refreshed and light. Oh, ngayon ko lang napansin, may mga strips of something. So, I've been using this. And then, since I'm not allowed to use retinol just yet kasi I'm still breastfeeding, I have 2 serums. So, both are gifted to me. This is the Kiehl's Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Serum and yung Lancome Genifique Serum. So, I use the Lancome Genifique every morning kasi, I don't know, I just feel like it's a good parang foundation when applying for makeup. But I don't use much makeup, so it's just this normal skin tint, eyebrow, ganyan. But I love this very much in the morning. And then, I use these Kiehl's Vitamin C Dark Corrective Spot Serum at night naman. And then, after the serum, I use this one. This is my most favorite talaga. Buti na lang, they gave me 2. Kasi, ang ganda nito sa skin. It's super hydrating, super moisturizing. Sobrang supple ng skin ko. If only I can put this all over my body, I would. You know, the weather's hot lately, but you wouldn't feel yung stickiness, yung greasiness nitong product na to. And you still feel moisturized and refreshed with this one. So, this is my ultimate favorite. They also gave me a few products that I have yet to try. So, this one's the Midnight Recovery Concentrate and Super Multi-Corrective Soft Serum. This is for anti-aging, if I'm not mistaken. So, these 2 I have yet to explore. Sobrang ina-enjoy ko muna yung currently na ginagamit ko. Kasi I've been using them parang for almost 2 months na ata. And it's giving. It's giving. Sobrang sulit. And then at night, I'm using the Lancome Idol. Ito yung perfume na ginagamit ko sa gabi. Para syempre, mabago pa rin para sa asawa. So, this is one of my favorites also. I'm not really a fan of their bottle kasi parang it's so flimsy compared to the other prestigious perfumes. But, super presko lang nito. Parang feel ko, ang bango-bango ko. Bago akong niligo. Parang hindi mainit sa Pilipinas. Pag ito yung ginagamit ko. So, I use this at night. Yun lang.